Hi, my name is Tanner with Lamp Manufacturing. Today we're going to go over installing our brick, our grate that goes inside the firebox, and then also we're going to install our brick retainers. This is a brick retainer plate. There should be two, and then this is your additional brick retainer that goes in the front. The tools we're going to need to do this: a 7/16. You don't need a deep socket. You can use an open socket wrench. I just happen to have a deep socket, a face mask, and a sander. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. I just have a 50 grit sanding pad on there. We'll get into that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by counting our bricks. There should be 28 bricks inside this stove and one grate. So go ahead and remove your brick from your stove like I've done here, and then also you're gonna remove your grate. Hi, so we've removed 28 bricks from inside the stove. It's important to note that we install a cardboard piece on the inside of the stove on the bottom here. So this cardboard piece is actually gonna be up against inside here. And what this does is it allows transport so the bricks don't crack. So it's very important that you take the lower section of those bricks out, remove this cardboard piece, otherwise it'll burn as you're burning the stove. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our lower unit of bricks on first with our grate. Following the manual, six horizontal, 2 in the front. Now sometimes these bricks can fit tight, so what we'll have to do is have to cut the corner off right here on this piece. Not all of these bricks are uniform, and that's just how they come from the company. So we'll talk about cutting that off later if they don't fit. Now I've got our 6 in the back. We're gonna go ahead and install our grate and then do our 2 on the side. So this is your grate. The grate will be marked top. Make sure that goes up to top. And then your grate should also go this way, not this way. Start that. Then we'll go ahead and put our 2 bricks in there. 2. Okay, the bottom half of your bricks are in. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the lower half. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom section on your side. We're gonna go ahead and insert your bricks there. There should be 5 along the bottom, 5 along the top. So go ahead and start from the back and work your way over. I'm gonna have to push that brick up a little bit. Okay, we've got that bottom in. They will fit kind of loose in there, note that. They're not going to be exactly tight. We want them to be kind of loose. You can go ahead and maneuver your brick retainers up a little bit just to get the bricks in there. Might make it a little easier for you. Push it all the way to the back. Bricks. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is install our bricks on the top side. In order to do this, we're gonna need the brick retainer plate. You're also gonna use your 7/16 socket wrench. Again, this could be open face. I have a deep socket. Go ahead and remove your 5-6 screws from there. What you're gonna do is just go ahead and remove all those. Okay, and we won't do it just. So install the first brick and then the second brick from the back. Push the bricks all the way towards the back. Again, it'll be 5 bricks. Now you'll see that on the third brick, you have no more retention as far as your holder plate goes. And that's where these plates are going to come in handy. This is the additional plate to hold the top of your brick so that way they don't fall out. Go ahead and install the additional brick retainer. Slide the long part back behind, and then just kind of wiggle the bricks forward. Now what you're going to do is install your 5th brick. You're going to slide the brick in and under, just like that. Pull your retainer down, and then with your screws out, what you're going to do, you've got your brick plate, your retainer plate. You're going to go ahead and, again, with your screws out, put your, sometimes you got to pull this vapor tube back also. Go ahead and put your screws in there, mount until they're nice and snug, and that's all you need to do to get your bricks in your stove.